Today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful bread. Trust me, you're going to love this one. So giving you a step-by-step guide to make your own beautiful sardine bread. So the first thing you want to do is just to warm up your bowl. This is optional, but I highly recommend it, especially when you live in a cold environment. Just add in some hot water into your bowl and just go around the bowl and then discard the water. Add in warm milk. Ensure the milk you're using is lukewarm. You should be able to dip your finger into the milk. Add in yogurt, sugar, yeast, and egg. To check the description box for the ingredient list and measurement. Mix everything together until the ingredients are well combined. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. Do not forget to like and comment below. I would really love to hear from you. Then seed in your all-purpose flour. So use a spatula and try to incorporate all the ingredients together. So the dough might feel a bit hard or the water is not enough, but just trust the process. But if you feel that you might need to add more water, just add water bit by bit. Like I said, just check the description box for the ingredient list and measurements. So I'm going to be using my standing machine to knead this. So I'm just going to knead this for just about 3 minutes using the dough hook. So if you're making use of your hands, you want to knead this for 3 to 5 minutes. So if you do not have a mixer and you don't know how to knead with your hands, I have different videos where I showed how to knead with your hands. So I'm dropping the link in the description box below. So do well to click on those videos in order for you to know how to knead properly with your hands. So the next thing I want to do is to add in butter. So if you're making use of your hands to knead this, you want to add your butter bit by bit so that you can incorporate it well. So you want to knead this for 7 minutes. So the next thing I'm going to add to this after I've kneaded my dough for 7 minutes is vegetable oil. The reason why I'm adding vegetable oil is that it's going to help preserve my bread. It's going to make the bread last longer and it stay fresh. So once that is done, my dough is well kneaded. Like in total, I kneaded this dough for 12 minutes. So you can go in between 10 to 12 minutes for your dough to be well kneaded. So what you want to do is just to form this into a perfect round ball. So place your dough into a bowl and then you want to cover this up and allow your bread to proof for an hour or 2 hours or until the bread doubles in size. So my bread has doubled in size. The next thing I want to just do is just to mash up my sardine. So I'm just removing the excess oil from my sardine can and then I'm just going to mash this up until it is well mashed to my satisfaction. She comes around, change my world. So after mashing your sardine, just set this aside. So deflate your dough in order to remove the excess air bubble. She's more than a woman. Baby, I was blind and I couldn't see. Angel, you were special to me. Divide the dough into 8 pieces, so each piece should weigh about 85 grams. So form each cut out dough into a perfect round ball. So the next thing you want to do is just to add flour to your working surface, and then you want to roll your dough out into 1/8 thickness.
Change my world. I feel a new life. Step by step, I've come to know she's more than a woman. I don't depend my life on colors, black or white, fat or slim, love more than
So after rolling the dough into your 1/8 thickness, the next thing you want to do is just to flip the dough to the other side. So the next thing you want to do is just to get a sharp object. You can use your knife, you can use your pizza cutter, just make some cuts on the dough, just like the way you were seeing in this video. So one thing you want to do, you don't want to cut to be too tiny, you don't want it to be too big. You can go bigger than this and it will be fine, but don't go extra big, but just go something moderate and you will be okay. So one thing I love about this dough is how very elastic it is. This is where the fun part begins. So skip the first strip, then take the next one and cross over. So the one that you've not crossed a strip over, take it and cross another strip over. I said keep doing this like we're braiding a hair, just one by one until you've woven all the strips together, and just like that you have a stunning braid. So if you follow the recipe that I dropped in the description box, you will not have any issue with your dough because it's very elastic. It can work perfectly well as you are braiding your dough. It's not going to cut. That's if you follow the recipe, and if you do not cut your strip very tiny, then you will have like a perfect dough for you to do this braided look. It is very easy to do. I do not know how to braid any hair at all. Like I have no knowledge about braiding any hair, so it is very simple to do. So just add in your sardine filling.
chicken they hot. If or be crime if you notice the pot.
So the next thing you want to do is just to seal this up.
Out loud, I gonna drink with beetroot surprise. Even small chops they hypnotize. She they mix tradition with small finesse. Our kitchen be like food fortress.
So just going to brush the other part with egg wash. This is just going to be what is going to help me seal up the dough. So you can use flour and water mixed together in order for you to seal your dough, and that is it. So beautiful, right? So let me show you another one. So I'm not going to say anything here, just watch it and just follow this to braid your dough
again and again. Enter kitchen. Now good vibes, sweet smell, and correct taste. Oh yeah now, let's go. Oh you the hot, onions they fry, tomato they bubble, pepper they high. She they chop and mix with style. One taste go make you smile. Garlic, ginger, everything nice. Her food fit make you chop rice twice. No shortcut, she they take her time. Teresa's flavor they always climb. Teresa they cook, come chop oh. Now love she they put inside the pot oh. From stew to sauce to coconut cake. Every bite they make my body shake. Teresa they cook, it no be joke. Even Jollof they dance when she poke. From Lagos kitchen to worldwide screen. Now Teresa, they run this foodie scene. Fried fish, they crisp, chicken, they hot. If or be crime, if you notice the pot. Banana bread, way soft like cloud. One bite and you go shout out loud. Taggana drink with beetroot surprise. Even small chops, they hypnotize. She they mix tradition with small finesse. Our kitchen be like food fortress. She they cook with soul. Make we lose control. Now food lovers crew. Teresa bless you. Teresa they cook. Come chop oh. Now love she they put inside the pot oh. From stew to sauce to coconut cake. Every bite they make my body shake. Teresa they cook. Now correct vibe. Our food fit make person subscribe. Every spoon they bust your brain. Teresa they cook again and again.
So place your beautiful braided bread in a prepared baking pan and just want to cover this for 20 to 30 minutes until it doubles in size. And then the next thing you want to do is just to brush up with some egg wash. So I just use a combination of egg and milk together. So just brush each braided dough with your egg wash.
Step into the kitchen, take a seat in my show. Teresa's got the flavor that'll steal the whole glow. Mix it, chop it, stir it with a little bit of spice. Every dish a masterpiece, cook in paradise. Teresa whips it up with rhythm and flair. A sprinkle of love and a dash of care. Feel the Afro beats echo in the air. Cooking's an art when Teresa is there.
They want to bake this in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. There you have it. Our delicious sardine bread is ready. This is super yummy. I love every bit of this. I love baking this. I love it so much, and I hope you've enjoyed watching as well. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses.